up, man? 418s on 6,000 watts. Pause it and replay it every 10 minutes or so. You'll be alright. It's a little louder here if you want more. What? Oh. Make sure everything's on. Sorry, I was just demoing earlier.
It's louder than a 12, of course.
It has to be, yeah.
A lot louder.
You didn't have the windshield broke last time.
That's been broke, but this broke from the 12 a while back. Alright. Always rep too, if you didn't know. That helps with your numbers.
Yeah.
Ready? One 6K, man. Oh
Uncle Jacob. Thank you, Jessica.
What I tell you? I called that. I said, you know that. I know Drake's gonna go.
Hey, you play something low for her?
Come on, I'll put the lows. Come hair tricks. Let me get her first. I just asked her. So right after her.
Mom about to go get in line. Yeah.
Restart it.
I already did.
How you doing?
Good.
So I'll play some of the low frequencies. And if you want a hair trick, put it in your window line.
Hey, you sure you don't want to try high?
Let's go for it. Full send. Your turn.
You just go like this if you had enough.
Yeah?
Yeah, she ate 10.
Alright, you did good. You have a good day.
That means.
You can come in.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
That shit made my nose roll work. Wanted to hear it.
Yes, sir. I just finished. Subs are brand new.
Your build made my nose run faster and more than Chris Lee's band did.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Wow.
She was born. It was quick. As soon as you got it all the way up, like I felt the edge, I was like, man, fucking
Dang, that's pretty good then, I guess.
I'm trying to tell you, man. I don't dodge no serious build. That shit bad.
No shade.
What was that, like 50?
49 hertz is my peak. With somebody in here, it's 48. With nobody in here, it's 51.
Mine's 50
That's
all
window
the
down.
damn time.
Sealed is 46. So it's a good peak. All right, you ready?
I'll take your breath away.
Yeah. Pretty loud.
There you go, Lloyd. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, man. You got to shut a little harder, sorry. Slam it. There you go. All right, you ready? It's a little louder if you want the full experience. Lean forward. Are you ready? Here we go.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Go ahead and lean up to the gas. I hear you.
How you doing?
Pretty good, man.
Good. Subs are brand new. 4 HPX 418s on 168.
You like them better than that?
To be honest, I like the 5s for motor force, but I haven't tested enough to know. Plus the cone area is 40% higher, so it feels like the 15s was louder, but I had 4 amps. I only have 1 amp on this. There we go.
You dynamite and everything, didn't you? Hey,
Yeah.
I saw that choking on that.
Bless you.
Thank you. Makes me sneeze on this side.
I know.
Goodness.
Alright, buddy. You done been in mine, I'm glad I could give you one.
I have to cut it off so it's getting hot.
Hey, you want to be just quick? I'm cool with that.
Yeah, I'll do it quick here. I gotta cut it off. Yeah. You know how people keep coming, I gotta shut it off.
I'm having barbecue cheese right now myself.
Yeah. What?
You wanted to get it.
Take a break.
I gotta take a break. I don't want to blow nothing.
I understand that. I'll be back around.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.